class. In this video, we'll talk about
how you save your work and then create an exit ticket once you have saved your work. So the shortcut to saving your work is Control S, or you can go to File, Save As. All right. In this case, I called mine Exit Ticket 3 completed. Make sure that we're clicking on the arrow and drag the screen up if you need. Find your class. Make sure we go to Exit Tickets by double clicking and save. Once you save, open up your data panel and click your name. Next to the gear called Open on the Web. This will automatically take you to your library where we save our files. So I'm going to find the class where I save my work. So depending on what period you're in, I will find my completed exit ticket in my exit tickets folder. And then I will click the icon next to export so that I can scroll down and click share once. All right. Once you click that, a window appears, select copy. The check mark means you're done. From here, we're going to open a Google Doc. Enter the apps doc. So for example, this would be exit ticket 3. To title your document, on the top left-hand corner, select and type exit ticket 3. All submissions need to make sure to have titles. So make sure that you select align and edit, center, bold, underline, and I'm going to make it at least size 24. It can be between sizes 24 and 30. So I can say 26. I like Times New Roman. So please use Times New Roman. We start with the title. Hit enter twice. Then click left align. From the align and indent, select left align. So hit enter twice. Left align. Make your font smaller down to 14. And then let's number it. Unclick bold, unclick underline, and select numbered list. Now I'm going to type model link. And since you copied it from last time, all I got to do is right click, paste, or hit Control V. So I'm going to hit paste, hit spacebar to make sure it turns blue. Once it turns blue, let's hit enter, delete the number. Hit enter again. Now we take our screenshot. We go back to the program. Okay, make sure that you know how to take a screenshot on your Google Chromebook. So mine is a little different, but feel free to look up how to take a screenshot on YouTube. Now that my screenshot is taken, right click, paste, or Control V. So you can control the size. So I'm going to make it smaller. If we click one of these options, we can format the image. So for example, if I click in front of text, I can move it around with a little more freedom. But I'm just going to leave it right there. It looks good. So title, link, screenshot. Once you have these three things, for each exit ticket, go to File, Download PDF. It will automatically download into your recents, and then please submit it in Schoology in the appropriate exit ticket. All right, this concludes the video. Thank you.